Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechRacks. In our previous videos, we saw lifecycle methods in class-based components and also what is hooks and what are the different hooks in reactjs. In our upcoming videos, we are going to focus on understanding hooks that are used in functional component which replaces lifecycle methods in class-based component. Let's start with understanding useState hook in this video. It replaces constructor from class-based component where we are defining our state object. As shown in the screen, we need to import useState from React. useState accepts initial state and returns current state with function to update that state. It can be string, number, boolean or arrays and objects also. Let's understand it with an example. This is our app component, which is nothing but our class-based component, and I have created one child component which is function-based component. So in this component we are going to create state using useState. So first import useState. Now we need to declare variable using this useState. So const useState. So here I am using empty string as the initial state and my current state will be name and one function to set that name, which is set name. As we just initialize this state, but we are not using, we are getting this warning message here. So let's use this state. Inside our div, create one p tag, and here you can access your name. As we have given empty string, we will not be able to see anything in our browser. So let's give one string name. TechRacks and save this. I have already imported my child component in app component and rendering that component here. So just save your project and run the application. cd my app and npm start. Now check in your browser. You can see here I got my state. Now we'll try to update our state using our setName method. Just create one more tag button. On click of this button, we'll call setName and change our name. Now define this change name function here. Const change name. I am using arrow function expression. Now use this setName method here, and inside this you can directly set your state. Hello TechRacks. Give name to this button. Change name. Save this and check in your browser. So here this is my initial state and I have button for changing name. Once I click on change name, it will get changed to Hello TechRacks. So change name. Now I got updated state. Similar to this, we can create multiple states here. So just try to create those state. Day and set day. I'm giving day as Monday, and one more state variable which is year, and set year 2023, and just create tags for accessing day and year. If you want to change this day and year in your change name, you can also do that. So set day, Tuesday, and set year 2022. Save this. I have my initial states, and when I click on change name, I am getting my updated states. So this is the way we saw how to create state variables using useState, and we created more than one state variables. Let's try creating states for objects. So I am creating now one object here. Const employee, set employee, useState. Will have different properties. Name take racks, age 22, username racks 123. So here we have defined three properties for our employees, and we will just try to fetch these properties inside our JSX part. So our object name is employee dot name. Similarly, employee dot age, employee dot username. Comment this button for now. Save this, and here you can see I got my expected output. Now let's try to implement updating functionality for this object. So we are going to use same function and same button for this purpose. So we have set employee method for updating an object. As if you only want to change our username, we will get our previous state here. and return our new object. If you want to only change the age, then let's take our previous state same and only give the one which we want to change. So it is age property, which I have changed to 23. Here we have used this spread operator to copy the entire previous state and only change the age state. So save this. When you click on change name, it will only change your age. So just click on change name. You can see my previous states are same, only the age has been changed. So in this way you can implement useState in your code. For more videos, stay tuned. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel TechRags. Thank you.